So right here I'm making mock Swiss meringue buttercream. It's a little shortcut, so instead of heating the eggs, we just use pasteurized egg whites. I'm mixing together 1 cup of the pasteurized egg whites and 1 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to want to mix this for about 5 minutes until everything is well incorporated. Now for the butter, you're going to need 4 cups, which is 8 sticks of butter. If you don't want to use as much butter, you can use 6 sticks, which is 3 cups. I just feel like it's a little bit sweeter with 6 sticks of butter instead of 8. This is unsalted butter. Make sure that your butter is at room temperature, and right here I'm adding 1 piece at a time. Someone commented that you can actually add the whole butter inside. It doesn't really matter if you added 1 stick at a time. So I might try that next time and see how that goes. At first it's going to look a little bit curdled, but don't worry, you're going to keep mixing. Mock Swiss meringue buttercream is a little bit sweeter, a little bit denser, and more buttery than the real Swiss meringue buttercream, but it's still really good and way less sweet than American buttercream. Mix for 10 minutes on speed 4, and this is how it looks. It looks a little bit airy. Now to remove bubbles, you can mix on a very low speed, and this is what it looks like after mixing for 20 minutes. If you want the silkiest buttercream, then you should overfill your bowl just a little bit and mix that on low speed. That removes any air bubbles. Since I didn't do that, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this buttercream, melt it, and add it back to our buttercream and mix on a very low speed. This helps to remove air bubbles. You can also remove the air bubbles with your spatula. But this is how the cake turned out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Leave your comments below.